To start the drawing, I sketched a parallel horizontal lines and divided the space into 3 sections. The outer sections are for centimeters each, while the middle section is 1 centimeter. This precise measurement helps in forming the glasses accurately. Now, I begin shaping the glasses using the guidelines I drew earlier. These lines help ensure the symmetry and proportions of the glasses are accurate and well balanced. Once the glasses are complete, I move on to drawing the left eye, which is closed. I carefully sketch the eyelid and the small details that give it a natural, relaxed look. Next, I move on to the right eye, starting with the eyelid. I carefully sketch the shape of the eye, paying attention to the finer details that bring it to life, making sure to capture the expression perfectly. As you continue drawing the eye, remember to always tap into your creativity. Pay close attention to the small details, as they make a huge difference in bringing the character to life. Don't be afraid to experiment with shading and proportions to achieve a more realistic look. Next, I focus on drawing the nose and adding shading to enhance its form. It's important to carefully observe the angles and light to create depth and dimension, giving the nose a more realistic and natural appearance. Now, I erase the extra lines that helped with the shapes. This makes the drawing cleaner, leaving only the important details visible for a more polished look. Now, I start coloring the eye, adding shades and tones to bring it to life. I make sure to leave some areas white to create a realistic shine, which adds depth and makes the eye appear more natural. Now, let's draw the eyebrows. Begin with the left eyebrow, which has a straight shape. Then, move on to the right eyebrow, which curves gently downwards, giving it a soft, angled look. Now, I define the upper part of the glasses and the top corners with black, adding depth and a touch of realism to make the glasses stand out more. I draw a square shape beneath the nose to guide me in drawing the mouth. This simple shape helps maintain proper proportions and positioning for the mouth. Now, let's shape the corners of the mouth and draw the open mouth with the teeth visible. After that, I add shading to the upper corners of the mouth with a pencil to give it more depth and definition. Let's define the dimensions of the face to guide us in drawing the facial features, including the ear. This step helps ensure the proportions are accurate and everything is placed correctly. Next, I draw the arm of the glasses and color it black, making sure it passes behind the ear for a more natural look. Then, I shade the inside of the ear with a pencil to add depth and dimension. Now, let's focus on the hair along the forehead, carefully sketching the strands to create a natural flow. We'll also add the locks of hair to give the style more texture and dimension. As I continue, I let my pencil gently flow to capture the natural movement of the hair, following its direction and texture. Each strand adds a layer of personality, bringing the characters' look closer to life. Now, I move on to drawing the other side of the glasses, adding the second temple and the ear on this side. This helps balance the drawing and complete the character's overall look. Now, let's draw the long strands of hair on the right side, carefully shaping them to add movement and texture. After that, I'll sketch a large square on the head to help define the proportions and guide the overall shape of the head. Now, let's draw the oval shape of the head to give the drawing a slightly side view appearance. This helps create a more dynamic and dimensional look for the character. Once the head is complete, let's move on to drawing the neck and shoulders, along with the suit. We'll add just a touch of pencil shading to the suit to give it some depth. For the neck, I'll shade with a pencil and use my finger to blend the shading, creating a smooth and even tone for a more polished, realistic look. Show the sides of the drawing to make it clearer. The last stage is shading the front hair using a pencil. With this, we have completed drawing Detective Conan in an easy and beautiful way. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe, like, and tell us what you think of such videos. See you next time.